Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to go through last week's buy, update the dividend tracker on trackyourdividends.com, and update also the performance of the portfolio for this calendar year of 2023. And so we'll get right into it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so on the day, on the end of the week there, portfolio closed out at $18,341.24. We were down $104.09, down 0.56%. For the 1 week, we were down $199.36, down 1.08%. For the 1 month, down $473.93, down 2.52%. For the 3 months, down $812.96, down 4.24%. For the year, we're down $76.90, down 0.42%. And for the all, since starting this portfolio, we're up $1,300.29, up 7.63%. Things are looking rocky when you look at it this way. You can see the white line that represents the deposits that are going in, and then we are still going above that on the green side, on the green trajectory there. So things are fine. We still want to keep it going from the bottom left to the top right, of course, and don't want to see anything dip below that white line. You can see a few times we did get to that point or got really close, but nonetheless, we continue to make a purchase every single week, putting in $100 every single week. So as you can see here, $18.55 in the cash account, and the positions we purchased, of course, every single week, consistently without fail. This year we have put in $25 and buying Vanguard's S&P 500 Index ETF, ticker symbol VFV, $25 on top of our $100 every single week. So I'll go ahead and show you the purchase for this one. Of course, we did a fractional buy of $25. It was able to get us 0.2525 of a share at the price of $99. That's what the share price was at, and we purchased that at 8:04 in the morning and submitted it when market opened at 7:34 a.m. on our end in the part of Canada that we're in. Okay, and so that's the Vanguard S&P 500. We now have 20 full shares, 20 and a half shares roughly, position value of $2,052.89. Average price of getting in is $94.46, and it holds about 11.2% of the portfolio. The next position we bought was in Brookfield Asset Management, closing out at $42.77. We were down $1 on the day, down 2.28%. We now have 8 shares of this position. This is a fairly new position, as you can see, at $342.16 at a position value. Average price of getting in is $44.20. It is down to $42.77, and it holds about 1.87% of the portfolio. We were able to buy 2 shares of Brookfield Asset Management, ticker symbol BAM. We bought 2 shares at $43.97, pretty much at market open, 3 minutes after the market open. And you know what's cool about Wealthsimple Trade is they typically will give you a warning that when you buy so early in the morning, there might be a discrepancy because the market did just open. You might buy at the price it closed out the previous day, and it doesn't give you a chance to maximize your dollars, I guess. But that's not a concern for me because we are consistently buying every single week. And so that is the portfolio. Those were the buys. Let's go ahead and head over to trackyourdividends.com, and I'll pop that on the screen here. So if you're to build the portfolio without the updated positions, you would see a portfolio yield of 4.12%. Our yield on cost is 4.38% thanks to dollar cost averaging, and the annual income and dividends that we will receive projected is $748. And that is without the updated positions. When we do update the positions, you can see the yield has gone down from 4.12 to 4.11. Our yield on cost hasn't changed. It sits at 4.38%, but annual income has increased from that $748 to $751. with the 2 shares of Brookfield Asset Management and the fractional buy of the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. Now let's head over to ShareSite. This site I do pay for, and it tracks the fiscal year for us, the calendar year. And so you can see that this includes capital gain, so capital appreciation, dividends, and also currency gain, because we do hold a couple US positions in this portfolio. It gives us a total return. So we'll go through that quickly. Capital gains, $157.02, up 0.87%. Dividends coming in strong and being the top contributor to the performance of this portfolio at $261.91, up 1.45%. And currency, a little bit of foreign exchange there with the US positions that we hold, coming in at $18.66 at 0.1%, which gives us a total performance in this portfolio for 2023, currently sitting at $437.59 return at a 2.41%. And so that is ShareSite, and that is the portfolio. Those are the moves that we made last week, the positions we updated, the positions we bought. And yeah, that is it for the video. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. And we'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.